Gusto ko lang magbigay ng reaksyon dito nga sa sinabi ni former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Napapasyal-pasyal na nga lang daw itong si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Ito ay sinabi niya dyan sa prayer rally ng dumalo siya dyan sa Liwasang Bonifacio sa Maynila. Nito ngang mga taga-suporta dito kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy.
Alam mo, si Marcos, pasyad-pasyad na lang yan. Wala nang Marcos, ano?
Yan ang sinabi ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Bakit siya ba nung siya pa ang Pangulo ng Pilipinas, nakailang travel abroad ba siya? Naka 21 international trip siya to 20 countries. Ito ay base sa Wikipedia. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ganyan naman talaga dapat kasama sa trabaho ng isang leader ng bansa diyan. Kailangan niya ng coordination, cooperation, and collaboration. Ito nga mga kaseryoso, ito ay base dito sa Wikipedia. This article documents a list of international presidential trips made by Rodrigo Duterte, the 16th President of the Philippines during his presidency, which began in his inauguration on June 30, 2016 and ended on June 30, 2022. Rodrigo Duterte made 21 international trips to 20 countries internationally, with the exception of technical stopovers. So, hindi pa kasali dyan yung mga stopover niya. The number of visits per country where he traveled are 1 visit to Bahrain, India, Israel, Jordan, Laos, Myanmar, New Zealand, Papua New Guinea, Peru, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and United Arab Emirates. 2 visits to Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Russia, South Korea, and Vietnam. 3 visits to Singapore, 4 visits to Thailand and Japan. 5 visits to China. Ayan. Nakalimang visits siya sa China. Ito ay according to the official gazette. International trips made by the President of the Philippines are an opportunity to foster and maintain relations with other government and to meet other heads of state and our government. The Department of Foreign Affairs classifies these trips as either a state visit, an official visit, or a working visit. Diba, ganun din ang ginagawa ngayon ni President Bongbong Marcos. Hindi naman pasyal-pasyal lang yung ginagawa niya. Ito ay either state visit, an official visit, or a working visit. Gaano ba ka-reliable itong Wikipedia? Is Wikipedia 100% reliable? Wikipedia is on the first page of Google search results more than 50% of the time. Wikipedia articles have an accuracy rate of 80%. Mataas ang accuracy rate niya, 80%. Saka meron naman tayong mga ebidensya dyan. Meron namang mga news, yung talaga mga visit nitong si former President Rodrigo Duterte. Nailalabas naman sa media yan, naibabalita naman. So accurate itong report natin. Maliban nga dyan sa pahayag na yan ni former President Rodrigo Duterte, sinagot naman kaagad ito ni President Bongbong Marcos.
Ito yung schedule ko. Saan yung pasyal? This is my schedule for today. Where's the paseo? Wala. You know, yung kasama nyo kami. You know, we don't make pasyal. Even in the places that I know or I've spent a lot of time with, hindi ko napupuntahan yung mga dati kong pinupuntahan because we're here to do this. And as to the other comments, confused kasi ako sa KPRRD, papalit-palit eh. So I'll have to examine it further, read it kasi very quick ko lang narinig ang balita, kanyang mga remarks. So Tignan ko muna kung ano ba talaga yung sinabi niya para maintindihan ko dahil hindi ko talaga naintindihan. Kasi parang naiba, bawat salita niya, iba eh. So, I will try to make sense of it.
Yun nga yung naging pahayag ni President Bongbong Marcos dito sa sinabi ni former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.